On this video, I'm going to do a KFC's White BBQ Crunch review, and that starts right now. Hi guys, it's me again, Sofea, and welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm going to do a KFC's White BBQ Crunch review. So, the White BBQ Crunch has a few sets, and the one that I buy is set A, and the set A's price is 20 ringgit 30 cents, and what set A contains is 3 pieces of white BBQ crunch chicken, 1 coleslaw, 1 mashed potato, and last but not least is 1 soft drinks that you can pick. So this is I'm going to show you what the white BBQ crunch looks like. There. Ooh. Okay. And the white BBQ crunch chicken has 2 types of sauce. That is, the white one is the smoky white BBQ sauce, and the red one is the hot sauce glaze. So, the smell of the white BBQ crunch smells like, wow, delicious. Yum yum. So, yummy. Let's get eating. So, we're going to taste first. Look at that. Here. Wow! Oops. So let's give it a try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ba'ina Amin. So, 1, 2, 3. Yummy. Jungle. Really yummy. Yummy. Jungle. It's a bit spicy. The red sauce is a bit spicy. I like how they cook it. It's crunchy. The white sauce tastes a bit like mayo, but it's not mayo, I think. Yeah, it's not mayo. And it's yummy. I like it. And it's a little spicy, which is good. It's a little tangy there. 1 more bite. Yummy. The chicken, the taste of the 2 sauce mixed well, and I really like it. The spicy, which is really good. I like it. This is it. I'm going to take the tissue. So good. So I'm going to give it maybe 9 per 10. Yummy. So I recommend you guys, so you can buy this. So it's really yummy. So you guys have to try this. It's really nice. And the spiciness of this chicken is not too spicy for my age, which my age is 10 years old now. So yeah, it's really yummy. I like the sauce. Spiciness mixed well, has the sweetness a bit. Spiciness and sweetness mixed well. Just yummy. And the white sauce is good because the red sauce is already spicy, so the white sauce is not spicy already, and which is good. So it mixed well together. So yeah, I really like it. So I'm going to repeat this again. So that's all for today about KFC's White BBQ Crunch review. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and share, and comment on my YouTube channel. That is Sofea channel here and here. And don't forget to follow my Instagram. That is Sofea here and here. Okay guys, bye!